Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord 2 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can enable or disable app notifications on this smartphone. Start by accessing device settings and scrolling down. Now you need to click on Notifications and Status bar, go into Manage Notifications and select one of your apps, like Calendar. Then click on it and tap on the switcher next to Allow Notifications. All notifications from this app are now blocked. If you wish to unlock them, just click at the same switcher. You can also go back and click on the switcher over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!